Hi, I'm Battu from freefincal. I have released a EMI moratorium calculator. Today, you can use it to find out the impact of using the EMI window. Of course, the RBI has announced a 3-month EMI window. I think 1 month is already gone because we are all already March is gone, but you can still use it to find out. Um, the short gist of it is, please don't use it. It will only benefit the bank. The EMI moratorium was supposed to help distressed people, but it's only going to end up helping the bank. I have several examples in the post, but I'll just show you how to use the calculator once. I'll just give you one illustration, and that it should be enough to do that. So let's take a loan amount of 10 lakhs, loan tenure of 5 years, interest is 12% just for illustration. The monthly installment is 22,244. We will assume that the moratorium is not taken, that is the EMI holiday is not taken. So if you choose not to take the EMI holiday, in the calculator you have to enter a value of -2. I mean, I made this quickly, so I didn't do a professional version where you should say no to the EMI moratorium, but just enter -2. That's good enough. It will just get the job done. Then there is no difference. There is no benefit or anything. It's the total interest would be 3,34,667, and that will be paid out in 60 months. You can see that the schedule is given, and at the end of 60 months, the balance would be 0. And as you know from any amortization schedule, the EMI is the same, but initially most of the EMI will have the interest component, and the rest of it will be the principal component. And initially the interest will be high and it will keep going down. The principal will become gradually more and more. And after every EMI, the outstanding balance will come down by the amount of the principal component of the EMI. Now let's say that I'm going to choose to take them. So I have now paid 9 months EMI, let's say, and I choose to take the moratorium of 3 months from the 10th month onwards. So now if you do that, so for the 10th month, the EMI is 0, 11th month EMI is 0, 12th month EMI is 0. I have done it for, a reader asked me if I can do this for 2 months or 1 month moratorium. I don't see the big benefit in doing that. You should understand the idea of what's happening. Once you understand the idea, you will not take it, whether it is for 1 month or 2 months. Don't do anything stupid by saying I'm going to get extra money by not paying EMI. Pay the EMI, otherwise the bank will screw you. So now what happens is the EMI goes to 0, but the principal, but the interest gets accrued. So for the 10th month, 8,853 is the interest on the outstanding principal at the end of the 9th month. That is 8,85,288. This interest will now get added to the outstanding balance, and the new outstanding balance will become 8,94,140. In the 11th month, the interest will be calculated on the new outstanding balance, and that will be 8,941. And since there is no EMI on the 11th month, that 8,941 will get added to the outstanding balance. And for the 12th month, the new interest will be 9,031, and the outstanding balance is now 9,03,082. And so for each month you take the moratorium, the interest will continue to accrue, but it will get added to the outstanding balance, and the next month's interest will be calculated on the revised outstanding balance. And what happens now is, this means that so from the 13th month the EMI will continue, and you can now see that that you have to pay how many more installments. Earlier the loan would end at the 60th month. Now you have to pay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months more, and almost a little more than 5 EMIs more. So if you actually calculate, you have to pay 45,239 rupees as extra interest. The loan will be extended by 6 months. The excess interest divided by the EMI is like 2 EMIs, and the excess interest divided by the loan amount, it's like 4.5% of the loan amount you have to pay additionally by choosing a moratorium. This is actually supposed to be a benefit for people who are not able to handle the sudden loss of income during this period of lockdown. Whereas now they will be ending up paying 45,000 rupees more to the bank. This is absolute nonsense. Only the banks will benefit from the moratorium. You will not. Please do not choose the moratorium. Many young people I see are they foolishly want to take the moratorium. Please share this video with them. Make them use this calculator. I will link it in the description box. Make sure they do not choose the moratorium. This is complete utter nonsense. Thank you. Bye bye.